In today's video, we're diving into 8 major facts you need to know, some of which have completely changed based on new info. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the big design change that just got leaked. One of the most trusted leakers, ImagineView, has revealed what is supposedly the new iPhone 17 Air design. Concept renders of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are showing a huge shift in Apple's design language. This leads us straight into our first major leak. 1. Horizontal camera bar on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. That's right, Apple might be ditching the vertical camera setup we've seen for years and switching to a horizontal camera bar for the Pro models. This is a bit controversial because many have speculated that spatial video, Apple's fancy 3D video, works best with a vertical camera alignment. So if these leaks are true, Apple must have figured out a new solution. More leaks will probably clarify this soon. 2. All 3 rear cameras upgraded to 48 megapixels. This is huge for photography fans. The iPhone 16 Pro models have two 48 megapixel cameras, main plus ultra-wide, but the telephoto lens is still lagging behind. With the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, all 3 cameras are rumored to be 48 megapixels, which means way sharper zoomed-in shots. Could Apple finally compete with Samsung's insane zoom tech on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? We'll have to wait and see. 3. A19 Pro chip, more power, more efficiency. Naturally, Apple will debut its next-gen chip, the A19 Pro, inside the iPhone 17 Pro models. Expect faster speeds, better efficiency, so hopefully longer battery life, and potentially challenging Snapdragon's latest chip. 4. More RAM for better performance. For the first time in iPhone history, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to have 12 gigs of RAM, matching the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means better multitasking, improved gaming, and an overall smoother iOS experience. 5. Apple's first in-house 5G and Wi-Fi 7 modems. Apple has relied on Qualcomm modems for years, but in 2025, that could change. Rumors suggest Apple is developing its own 5G and Wi-Fi 7 modems, which should improve battery efficiency, boost connection stability, and optimize performance specifically for iPhones. This is a big deal because Apple loves controlling its hardware and software ecosystem. 6. A big front camera upgrade. For the first time since the iPhone 14 Pro, Apple is finally upgrading the selfie camera, jumping from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels. Expect crisper photos, better low-light performance, and sharper FaceTime calls. 7. Dynamic island stays the same size. There were rumors that the dynamic island would shrink, but now leaks suggest it'll stay the same size. So if you were hoping for a smaller cutout or an under-display Face ID system, it doesn't seem like 2025 is the year for that just yet. 8. More aluminum in the design. Since the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple has used titanium for its Pro models, but for the iPhone 17 Pro series, there are rumors of a hybrid build, a mix of glass, aluminum, and titanium. Why? No one knows yet. But as leaks unfold, we'll see how Apple plans to balance weight, durability, and aesthetics.